Popcorn is one of the favorite snacks for most people. Fun of watching a movie is incomplete without munching popcorn. And luckily, it is a healthy snack too. But, is popcorn good for diabetes? The simple answer is yes, but with some basic precautions. Since popcorn contains carbohydrates, people with diabetes should choose the type, cooking method, and serving size carefully to control their blood sugar levels. Let's examine popcorn in greater detail from a diabetes point of view in this short video. Watch it till the end to get a complete picture. To start with, popcorn is a nutritious food with vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin E, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, folate and pantothenic acid. Popcorn also contains traces of minerals such as calcium, iron, copper, manganese, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus and zinc. In addition, it contains polyphenols with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to protect against cancer and cardiovascular disease. So, overall popcorn is generally healthy. But people with diabetes type 1 and type 2 both should be careful about the glycemic index of the food they eat. Glycemic index, GI, is measured between 1 to 100, and food items with lower glycemic index are good for sugar control. Low glycemic index food gradually increases blood sugar levels instead of giving instant high spurts of sugar levels. Popcorn has a GI of 55, which is considered low. As you can realize, popcorn passes all tests for a good snack for diabetic. But you still have to be careful about how you consume it. Popcorn with salt, sugar and butter toppings should be avoided. Air-popped popcorn is the best way to make it for diabetics and everyone else. You can add grated cheese and herbs like cinnamon, black pepper and garlic paste as healthy toppings to add more flavor and taste. A cup of popcorn is about 30 calories. Munching up to 5 cups can be an upper limit to keep the blood sugar under control. Depending on your diabetes levels, your doctor may suggest a portion size that you can consume at a time. Stick to specified limits. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.